After reviewing the insightful feedback from Legaliser's AI, it's time to fine-tune our contract directly within the platform. In response to our contract terms evaluation, we'll clarify the services provided. Let's add software development services to ensure specificity. With each edit, we make the agreement more precise and tailored to the needs of both parties. Moving to the payment and compensation section, it's essential to define the exact amounts to be compensated. Now, by entering the compensation amount, we close any gaps and solidify the terms of the contract. Editing your contract on Legaliser is intuitive, ensuring that each provision meets the highest standards of clarity and legality. With just a few clicks, Legaliser helps you refine your documents, making them robust and ready for action. It's contract editing made seamless and intelligent. With Legaliser, in-depth contract analysis is just a click away.